Well, the event's been amazing. So many great speakers here, a lot of great energy, and yeah, I can't ask for anything better. It really re-energized me for going in strong the last quarter. Oh, my favorite session was how everybody's just open and being vulnerable and sharing, because even though I give a lot of golden nuggets, I always get golden nuggets from everybody else, and it's just that one thing you take away when you leave and you implement it, that can make a big difference in your life.
Hey, pause right here and click on the link below, get a free copy of my book so that you can increase your sales, take more listings, and earn more money. Go ahead and do that right now. So please make sure to like, share, and subscribe my channel right now so you can get more great videos like the one you just watched. If you like this video and you would like to see more, please click right here. Once again, my name is John Toublaris, international speaker, award-winning author, and a real estate sales and mindset coach. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.